Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a tail light bulb on your Nissan Rogue. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new bulb. Park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is off. Then, open the rear hatch to gain easy access to the tail light assembly. This simple preparation will make the entire process much smoother for you. Now, let's remove the tail light assembly. Inside the rear hatch, you'll find two retaining screws on the inner edge of the tail light. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should release from its clips with a firm, steady pull. With the assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the specific bulb socket you need to replace. It's usually color-coded. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the tail light housing. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket until it's securely seated. This step is quick and easy. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it. Reinsert the bulb socket into the housing and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into position. Reinstall the two retaining screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.